In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the Contracts tool, upload your agreement, place signature fields, and send it out for e-signature, all without leaving QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and use the search field at the top of your screen. Type the word contract. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the Contracts feature without clicking through menus. When you see contract in the search results, click it. That opens the Contracts workspace, where you'll manage everything related to your agreements. Next, select Create Contract. This starts a fresh contract and prepares the workflow so you can attach your document and assign it to the right person. On the screen that follows, choose the customer associated with this agreement. Make sure you pick the correct customer so the contract routes to the right inbox and is recorded under the proper profile for your books. Take a moment to confirm the customer's name and contact details. Look right, then click Continue. You'll now be prompted to upload your contract file. Click Upload Documents and choose the document from your computer. For the best results, use a finalized PDF to preserve formatting and page breaks. After the file finishes uploading, click Next to move into the field placement stage. Here's where you make the document signable. Drag and drop a signature field onto the signature line in your document. Place it exactly where you want your customer to sign and adjust the size if needed so it fits cleanly on the line. Then drag and drop a signature date field near the signature, typically directly to the right or just below the signature line. This ensures the signing date is captured automatically when your customer completes the signature. Once those fields are in place and you're satisfied with their positioning, click Next. You'll get a chance to do a quick visual check to confirm the document uploaded correctly and that the fields put on the correct pages. If something looks off, you can return and adjust before sending. When everything looks good, click Send. QuickBooks Online will deliver the contract to your customer for e-signature and begin tracking the status for you. You'll be able to see when it's sent, viewed, and signed, and the completed document will be stored with the customer's record for easy reference later. That's it. Search, create, upload, place fields, and send. Follow these steps each time, and you'll streamline your contract process directly inside QuickBooks Online.